One of the most common questions we get asked is, how long should my filters last in my dust collector? And the short answer is, depends. Let's give you the long answer now. There's basically two kinds of failure in your filters. There's what we call end-of-life failure, and then early filter failure. Let's discuss early filter failure first. Early filter failure is when our filters suffer some kind of damage that they were not designed to withstand. So it can come from one of three things: temperature, chemical attack, or abrasion. So temperature is simple enough. That's where the temperature was, the maximum operating temperature for the filter was exceeded. So this can take the form of the gas getting too hot. Maybe we went above our maximum operating temperature. Or it can take the form of sucking up sparks or embers or something else that physically caused heat damage, or even caught the bags on fire or burned them. All of these things obviously will lead to varying degrees of failure in a filter. Now the second one, chemical attack. This often happens when we have process applications where the gas stream contains many different chemicals. Now it may be that we have to operate above the dew point so that we don't have those chemicals condense onto the filter itself. Or it could be that there's been some sort of upset condition in the process that has introduced either more water, moisture, oxygen, or some other compounds that then react badly in the dust collector to attack the filters. And our final one is abrasion. Abrasion comes in many forms. The most common is where we have dust particles coming in, and because of some problem with the design of the baghouse, maybe it's not optimally designed for high abrasion, extremely abrasive dust. As the dust comes in, it's impacting the filters directly, and it's wearing holes, usually in the bottoms of the filters. But this can also happen in pulse jet baghouses, for example, if we reuse old cages. If they're bent, they often will hit each other when they pulse, the cages in the bags. Or it could be that the cage has rust or is bent, has a sharp point on it, and also begins to saw through the filter media, causing holes and failures.